So hey guys, so lately there's been a problem of Xbox Game Bar not supporting screen recording. So this been a problem for some time and people are trying to solve this problem, and I saw multiple videos in YouTube regarding this problem, and most of it didn't work for me. So in this video, I'll be talking about the solution that worked for me. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to go to search, and after that, you need to search for registry editor. And in registry editor, you have to give allow this, and in registry editor, you have to go to software. No, first you need to go to H key current user. So the second option, the total of four options. So it's key current user, and after that you have to go to software, and in software you have to go to Microsoft, and Microsoft. You need to visit Windows, and in Windows you have to go to current version, and in current version just click game DVR, and in game DVR you have to click, not just expand, you have to click, and by clicking game DVR there will be lots of option like me, or for some there's only four or something. So in game DVR you can see game app capture enabled there are two app capture enabled things, and for you have to click on the one with zeros, full zero. Here there's one because I have already modified it. So after that you have to modify the one with full zero, and modify the value data which will be zero in your PC, and you have to make it one. So after that click OK, and yeah, that's it. Now you can record your screen or your gameplay by using Xbox Game Recorder. And before doing it, you have to restart your PC. I think you all know that, and that's all. And if you guys like this video, or if this video worked for you guys, please don't forget to like. And if you want to see more of such videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, leave a comment if there's problem, if there's still any problems, and yeah, and leave a comment about any new problems which I'll try to solve it. So thank you guys for watching this video.